How to open Canva design to Word format or document. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the I have opened my document in Canva. You can see. Okay, so first select that design on Canva, open it. Now go to the share, and we need to download it in PDF format only. So select the PDF format. Okay, and go to the download. So it will be start downloading, and it will be downloading PDF. Okay, so in first method, select that file, go to the right click, select that downloaded file, click on right click on it, go to the open with, and go to the open with Microsoft Word. Or you can simply do one thing, open the Microsoft Word app, take the new page, blank page, go to the file, go to the open section, browse that PDF file. Okay, so we have that PDF file here. Okay, still I just select it, just open it. Okay, now go to the editable. So now you can see that PDF file has been converted in Microsoft Word, and now you can edit it whatever you want. You can add or delete. After you're done, go to the file again, you can save it, browse, select the location where you want to save, and you can select save as a PDF, and you can keep it as a Microsoft Word document format, rename it and save it. It will be saved. And the second method is, you can simply go to the Google Drive, just open any browser, log in with your Gmail account. Now we need to go in Google Drive. Just open that Google Drive option here. After, go to the new, go to the file upload. Okay, now we need to select that file. Okay, so this is a resume we have saved here as a PDF. So just select this, open it, it will be start uploading in Google Drive. Once is upload, go to the recent. Here you can see the recently uploaded file. Right click on it, go to the open, and go to the Google Docs, or you can simply double click on it, and here you can click on open with Google Docs. So here it will be open in Google Docs. So here also you can edit anything you want. Okay, after that go to the file, you can download, go to the download, and here also you can download as a PDF file, or you can download as a Microsoft Word file. The next method, you can go to the I love PDF, the online source. I use this personally. Okay, now go to the convert PDF, go to the PDF to Word. Here you need to select that file, PDF file which we have downloaded from Canva, open it. Now just convert it. So once it's converted, just download, it will be download, and it will be download as a perfect way. Okay, so that is a few method you can use. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.